Good morning, students. This is Suresh, Maths faculty from DAV High School, SDSTPS, AP Genco, NAIL 2. In this session, we are going to discuss exercise 9.2 problems related to chapter 9, statistics. Let us discuss exercise 9.2 problems. Sixth question. The height of boys and girls of ninth class of a school are given below. Compare the heights of the boys and girls. Solution. So if we want to compare the heights of the boys and girls, we can find median of heights of boys and girls. First we have to find the median of heights of boys. In this case, we have to create the table with the three columns, that is height, boys and cumulative frequency. First to substitute the height of the boys and frequency of the boys from the question. Next we have to calculate the cumulative frequency. First two asterisks copied in the first box. Next add 5 to the before frequency, that is called 7, and 7 copied and add to 12, 19, 19 plus 10, 29, 29 plus 7, 36, 36 plus 1 is equal to 37. This type of calculation is called cumulative frequency. Here n is equal 37 and also it is a odd number. So find n plus 1 by 2 observation. Therefore median is equal 37 plus 1 by 2, that is 8 by 2. After division we can get 19. Therefore median heights of boys is equal 147. Since 19 it falls at 147. Next we have to calculate median of height of girls. In this case we have to create the table with the three columns, that is height, girls and cumulative frequency, and substitute the heights and girls from the question. Next we have to calculate cumulative frequency. First one asterisk copied and 2 add to the before cumulative frequency, that is equal 3. 3 plus 10 is equal 13. 13 plus 5 is equal 18. 18 plus 6 is equal 24. 24 plus 5 is equal 29. Here n is equal to 29. It is a odd number. So find the observation. Median is equal to n plus 1 by 2 term, that is 29 plus 1 by 2, that is called 30 by 2. 30 is divisible by 2, we get 15. Therefore median of heights of girls is equal 152. Therefore heights of the girls is more when compared to the heights of the boys. Next seventh question. Centuries scored and the number of cricketers in the world are given below. Find the mean, median and mode of the given data. Solution. First we have to find the mean of the given data. So we have to create the table with three columns, that is number of centuries, it is indicate x, number of cricketers is indicate frequency, and we know when frequency given time we have to calculate fx. Now we have to calculate fx. F means frequency, x means number of centuries. 556 are 280, 1023 are 230, 1539 are 585, 2013 are 260, 25 8 are 200. After we should calculate the number of cricketers. Total is equal 139. Next we should add the sum of the all fx, that is equal 1555. Therefore mean is equal to x bar is equal to sigma fx by sigma f, that is equal, substitute values of sigma fx, that is equal 1555 by sigma f is equal to 139. After division we get 11.18. it is a mean. So we have to calculate median. So we have to create the table with the three columns, that is number of centuries x, number of cricketers f and cumulative frequency. First, to substitute number of centuries and number of cricketers from the question. Next, we have to calculate cumulative frequency. 56 and 56 copy it and add to 23, that is 79. 79 plus 39 is equal to 118. 118 plus 30 is equal 131. 131 plus 8 is equal 139, and add the all frequencies, we get total is equal 139. So here n is equal to 139 is odd number, therefore median is n plus 1 by 2th observation corresponding value, that is equal 139 plus 1 by 2, that is equal 140 by 2, that is equal 70. Therefore median is equal 10 because 70 falls at 10. Next we have to calculate the mode. Observe the given data. Here observations of 5 has the maximum number of cricketers, that is 56. Therefore mode is equal 5. Next, ninth question. The mean weight of 3 students is 40 kgs. One of the student Ranga weight is 46 kgs. The other 2 students Rahim and Reshma have the same weight. Find the Rahim weight. Solution. The mean weight of 3 students is equal to 40 kgs. Therefore, sum of the weights of 3 students is equal to 40 into 3, that is equal 120 kgs. And the weight of Ranga is equal 46 kgs. Therefore, weight of remaining 2 students is equal to 120 minus 46, that is equal 74 kgs. But Rahim and Reshma have the same weight according to the problem. Therefore, weight of Rahim is equal 74 by 2, that is equal 37 kg. Last question in this chapter. There are 4 unknown numbers. The mean of the first 2 numbers is 4 and the mean of the first 3 is 9. The mean of all 4 numbers is 15. If one of the 4 numbers is 2, find the other numbers. Solution. Let the 4 unknown numbers are x1, x2, x3 and x4. The mean of the first 2 numbers is equal to 4. Therefore, x1 plus x2 by 2, that is equal 4. We know mean means sum of the observation by number of observation. That implies x1 plus x2 is equal to transposing to right side of the equation, that is equal to 4 is 8. It is say equation 1. The mean of the first 3 numbers is equal to 9. Therefore, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 is equal to 9. That implies x1 plus x2 plus x3, that is equal transposing 3 to the right side equation, that is 3 9s are 27. Next step, 8 plus x3 is equal 27. From this x1 plus x2 is equal 8. Next step, x3 is equal to 27. Transposing 8 to the right side of the equation, it becomes minus 8. After subtracting, x3 is equal 19. The mean of the 4 numbers is 15. x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 by 4 equal to 15. That implies x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to transposing 4 to the right side of the equation. It becomes 15 into 4, that is equal 60. Next step, substitute x1 plus x2 value, that is equal 8 plus, and the x3 value is 19 plus x4 is equal 60. 19 plus 8, 27 plus x4 is equal 60. Therefore, x4 is equal to 60. The plus 27 move to the right side, it becomes minus 27. After subtracting, we get 33. Given one of the 4 numbers is 2. From equation 1, x1 plus x2 is equal to 8 and substitute x1 plus 2, that is equal to 2 plus x2 is equal to 8. Therefore, x2 is equal to 8. The plus 2 move to the right side, it becomes minus 2. 8 minus 2 value is 6. Therefore, the 4 numbers are 2, 6, 19 and 33. Dear students, along with the home assignment, you can copy exercise 9.2 problems in paper 2 book, and we will start new chapter in the next video. Thank you.